I want to introduce a brand new winch company that just entered the game. So this here is our display in our Denver location shop. So this here is Borne Off-Road. They are owned by a company by the name of Mishimoto, which have been around for decades now. So very reputable, even though this brand is new itself. But the reason why I am introducing it today, because we have ran it for 6 months or so now on 2 of our vehicles and have installed probably more than 10 of these on customer vehicles. But I want to talk about all the things that this brand has to offer for the winch. So let's talk about it. So this is what it looks like, all black construction. The module on top is standard. Kind of the overall appearance of it is pretty standard as well, besides the fact that it is all black. I really like the way it looks. The clutch is in the same location as most winches as well, right over here, super easy to use. The remote itself is extremely thin, you can see here, very thin. It is wireless, but it does come with a hard wired as well if this does die on you when you need to use it. But it has a timeout feature on it, so if you have it on for too long, for example, all you have to do is press and hold the power button, you'll see a red light illuminate, and then you can go in and out with it. It times out after, I believe, 20 or 30 seconds, and it'll turn off by itself, or you can press and hold the power button to turn it off. It comes with a fair lead, and it comes with a flat style shackle mount as well, right on the front here, so you don't have to buy a product that is flat mounted, because most winches will come with a steel hook, which you have to hook somewhere, usually like on your bumper piece, that will pretty much wear away your powder coat. So it is nice that Borne offers this with it. And then the big thing that I think that Borne Off-Road winches has to offer is, 1, the price point, and then 2, the actual colors of the actual lines itself. So you can see here we have red in the display model. This is what I have on my vehicles, just because to me I really like the red because it's super high vis. Anybody's going to see it when I'm actually using it, so I don't have to worry about anybody tripping over it. But they offer an orange, blue, pink, black, and the standard synthetic line color as well. So you can choose from all of these, and they're super affordable. They are offered in a 10K and a 12K winch, and the 12K in this one is actually cheaper than a worn 10K winch. So if you want something that is a little bit more heavy duty but still very affordable, Borne winch is the way to go. And installing this winch is the exact same way as any other winch. We have installed it on our Tundra and right into our C4 bumper. It just mounts right underneath there, and then you can run it with the module right on top, or there are 4 screws that you take off and relocate this somewhere else if you need to. But this here is a product that I would highly recommend anybody that is getting an aftermarket bumper, that is looking for something both affordable and super reliable as well. So if you're in the market for one, we'll have this both in our showroom in Denver, Colorado, or on our website if you guys wanted it shipped to your house. But that's pretty much going to be it for this video. If you guys enjoyed it, let me know down in the comments and subscribe to the channel. We'll see you guys next time.